I'm getting ready to go to work, but then afterward, I'm going to Joshua Tree to shoot a bunch of chicks on choppers. My best friend's gonna be there with hers. We're gonna catch sunrise in the morning. Fucking awesome. And we're just gonna shoot some more during the day and eat some good food. And yeah, just hang out in Joshua Tree. So, see you then.
What's that, dude? What's this?
Alright, officially on my way to Joshua Tree. 2.5 hours. Gonna make it before sundown, thank God. Yeah, update later with all my stuff. Okay, we're here. Oh man. The girls aren't here yet, but the sunset is so good. I don't know if you're ready for this. Wow. Hold my GoPro. Perfect.
Oh, shush. I don't know these things. What the fuck do you want?
Car coming.
See it. People are so angry out here. Oh my God.
Yeah, that's cool.
Morgan? Sorry. Yeah, same.
Short weekend, but that's all right. If you like this type of content, like and subscribe, you know the deal. Okay, bye.